welcome back to my channel, ladies and gentlemen. So I did get a lot of either comments or DMs from you guys saying that you either got the last allocation or an incoming 992.1. So if you guys don't know how to purchase it, lease, finance, or cash, I'll leave a card right over here. You can definitely go check it out. The next question which you actually have, which is the same as what I had as well, is how do you protect your car? And specifically, should you do a ceramic coat or a PPF? So it's going to give a quick insight of what both of those mean. So ceramic coating is basically a semi-permanent coating that is applied to the exterior of your vehicle, exterior or interior. Because it's a liquid form, it will actually harden after a period of time. And for PPF, which is short for paint protection film, it's actually a really thin, transparent layer between the element and the car's paint job. So the big question would be, should we do PPF or ceramic coating? Actually, there's one more option, doing them both. So this is my car not being washed after a week and a half. Honestly, with ceramic coating and the PPF done, it's actually the best of both worlds, right? So as you can see, there's a bit of a speck of a dust, but it just goes away. Honestly, after 2 years of normal day driving, there is minimum, I would say, rock chips or anything like that. As you can see, even normal driving, it's got some like bugs and stuff like that. But after a quick wash, it's gonna slide all out. So that's the beauty of the PPF and ceramic coating. I got all the front done. Basically, my whole car was done PPF and ceramic coating. And of course, you see the lines right over there. That's just the in-between gap. But that's from a rock chip, which there's not much I can do. I'm honestly surprised the front is actually in very good shape. I would say it's mint, I would say. And then this is usually where it gets bad, the sides right over here. But I'm proud to say it's in really good shape. Of course, that's just dirt, so you just clean that out. But I'm surprised after like 2 years, probably 6 track days, you can't really see. Of course, if you go really in depth, you can see even that's dirt. So this headlight, the left side is fine. I did see there's this is pretty bad, but again, it's a rock chip. I'm not sure if it's from a track day or whatnot, but honestly, other than that, it's in really good shape. Everything else is just dirt. It's just right here, which kind of went through, and this one kind of went on the lamp. But honestly, there's no cracks. I'm actually really happy with that. The rims, surprisingly, there is no scratches on the rims, right? And then on the sides. So this actually came from factory. This was free from Porsche. As you can see, there is a bit of a color discoloration. But when it's cleaned, it's actually not bad. And this is where you get the most rock chips. But it's good that Porsche actually put that. And that was a free of charge. This is the paint damage, which I'll go through in the next video. But other than that, front, back, there is no rock chips. It's in really good shape. And the thing I really recommend for doing the ceramic coating is the interior. I did the full interior. I did it on the Alcantara, I did it on the leather, I did it on my seats. Again, it depends on which product you use. For my personal detailer guy, I'm not sure exactly what product he used, but I would definitely recommend him. I'll put his Instagram in this video, so you can definitely reach out. He's local from Canada, right? And he's really good at what he does. He did the full interior for me as well. So even on the black piano trim, there is essentially brand spanking new. There's no signs of wear and tear whatsoever. Even on the knob, it's in really good shape. He even did this as well, because this is usually where the normal wear and tear happens, but I'm proud to say it's in really good shape. Even for the seats itself, we got that done as well. Really good shape. So there you guys have it. After having my car for 2 years, this is my most personal experience. Again, everything that I said is based on my opinion, based on my personal experience. I might be right, I might be wrong. Do let me know in the comments below what you guys think. To me, I really think applying the ceramic coat after the PPF is the best way to do it. But the thing to do is to actually apply the PPF first and wait a day or two for it to actually cure, and then having the ceramic coating put on. The main thing is the PPF is to actually prevent harder elements, let's say rock chips and whatnot. Ceramic coating actually helps for brake dust as well, especially apply them on the rims. And for me, I did do the interior, and as you folks can see, it's actually holding up very, very good. I definitely do recommend that, especially for the 992.1. If you guys see in my interior right over here, there's a lot of piano black, and honestly, even after 2 years, I won't say abuse, but like regular daily use, it does hold its like shape. I did apply it to my seats. It's the Alcantara seats and even the interior as well. Everything you see is actually applied. Honestly, I would highly definitely recommend that. Only thing is, because for the interior, it doesn't make sense to apply the PPF, right? So ceramic coating is the next best thing. Honestly, having this car for like 2 years, I do drive it to work on a daily basis. I did bring it to at least 5 to 6 track days. And as you guys can see, there's not, of course there is normal wear and tear, but I'm really thankful that I did that, because it actually helps for the rock chips and whatnot. Even after 2 years of me driving it, it's still in pretty good shape. And then last but not least, as you guys can tell, I am pretty much a lazy person. I do like to keep my car clean, but I don't want to do it every single day. I do clean it once or twice per week, but as you guys can see, my car sitting as of now, I haven't cleaned it in like a week, and even after a week, it still looks decently clean. So thanks for watching this quick video. Hopefully you guys like it. Do let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you guys agree with me, or if you guys don't, do let me know in the comments below. Have a great day, guys. Peace out.